All right, good morning, guys. Bon matin, bienvenue. Welcome. So this is a new live trading session. We are August 10, and we're gonna start in 5-ish minutes. I just need to set up something very quickly, and I'm a little late this morning, so I need just need to take my dog outside, and let's do this here. Here we go. Perfect. Welcome, guys. So let me just put a note here. Yeah, 6:37. Give me 5 minutes. I need to take my dogs outside. So this is a little late. This one will start at 6:37. There we go. Let's put it bigger so people will see it. Perfect. Cannot be more precise than this. All right. So I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 sec. All right, guys, I'm back. Good morning. Good morning. All right, before we move forward, can someone on YouTube confirm if the sound is good? Just need this confirmation very quickly. Let's delete everything here. Perfect. This is good. This is good. All right. Can anyone confirm that sound is good on the bon matin, Alexis? So just before I move forward, same as system. Oh, let me see here. Let me see here. Sound. Perfect. Can anyone confirm the sound, please? Good morning. Bonjour. Sound perfecto. Oh, sweet. Perfect. All right. Let's move on. Welcome, welcome. So welcome to everyone to this new live trading session. This is going to be a Franglish live session. So basically, I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer the most question as possible. So don't be shy to ask question. If you want to send chart, pretty simple. Just need to click on this camera button here on the top right corner. You're going to click on this. Oh, this is new. You're going to click on... Oh, god damn. So TradingView did an update here. Copy link, chart image, I guess. Oh, so you're gonna have to paste.
Yeah, that is the one I used it this morning. I saw there was an update.
Yeah, they were an update, right? Copy. So let's see. Can we do this? Oh, hold on. Wait a second. I'm gonna have to find out how to do it. So
it must be the one with the link. The copy chart is just the image.
Copy chart image.
Yeah, but then you want the link from YouTube people and stuff. So copy link to chart image is the one that you always use.
This one, right?
Yeah.
But how are they gonna paste that? Because I'm trying to paste it here. Oh, here we go. That worked. Okay, perfect. So you paste that, but you do not paste enter. You need to erase this part. Okay. So guys, you're gonna have to erase this part, and after that, you're gonna paste just this part in the chat. All right. So hopefully that's gonna work. Donc bonjour, bienvenue ce matin à cette nouvelle session de trading en direct. Donc je vais passer du français à l'anglais pour essayer de répondre au plus de questions possibles. Si vous avez des questions, ne vous gênez pas. Si vous voulez que je revoie votre chart, simplement cliquez sur le bouton en haut à droite de la caméra, cliquez sur le copy link. Vous allez cliquer sur coller. Vous allez garder seulement la fin, la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à l'autre barre oblique, tout simplement. All right, so let's do this. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect sound. Okay, perfect. Excellent. GJ finally out of this range. It's about freaking time. Okay, so let's do our top-down analysis. All right, let's do this. All right, so basically, this monthly candle, I mean, we are what now? 10 days in the month. We went down, created this bottom wick. Look like now we start to push up. Let's take a look. And we respected previous low, previous high. So right now, not much information on this monthly, except for the fact that previous monthly went all the way down and got rejected. So, and rejected 382 fib level. So look like we're ready to start pushing back up again. Looking on the weekly, we are still on the bearish here, on the bearish retracement until we break this high. So far we are still on the bearish retracement, but overall this is a bullish trend, right? So let's see. Right now we respected previous high, respected previous low, but if we do break this 250 QP, now look like we're going to continue up for the rest of the week. Yeah, except that, not much. Oh, let me do that in French very quickly. Donc, si on regardait sur le chart du mois, donc on a respecté le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent. Pas beaucoup d'informations, à part pour le fait que le chart du mois était principalement à la hausse, mais là, on était sur un retracement à la baisse. On a rejeté le fib level 382 pour repousser vers le haut. Même chose sur le weekly. Donc, on a une tendance à la hausse qui est en général une tendance à la hausse. Et là, on était sur un retracement du bas pour continuer vers le haut. Encore une fois, on a rejeté 382 et on a poussé vers le haut jusqu'à maintenant. Tant on s'entend qu'on ne brise pas ce sommet-là, on est toujours dans une tendance à la baisse sur le côté du retracement. Looking at the daily now. All right, so now, looking at the daily. Let's raise this. Looking at the daily, I mean, we were coming down still. Now, since yesterday, we got this candle that closed kind of, I mean, it's a huge gap right here. So technically this candle should be right here. So we kind of broke previous high here. We broke previous high, and now this candle is above this 153. So of course, if this daily candle stays above 153 today, for sure now we're going to start coming back up, right? So this is going to be a good indication. Donc, c'est sûr que si aujourd'hui, cette chandelle-là journalière reste en haut de 153, on devrait continuer vers le haut, notre poussée vers le haut à ce niveau-ci. Ouais. So far now, we broke previous high, respected previous low. Donc, on a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent. So we should continue up today. But we got this level, this 250 level, pretty strong. You see how many rejection we got at this QP? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 daily candle got rejected here, trying to go up at this level. So gotta be careful. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Oh, Rage is checking in. All right, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome. You all make sure to like the stream. Yeah, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in on YouTube, guys. All right, let's take a look at the 4-hour. All right, so 4-hour was in a range for a while. So this was the range. So basically, this was the range. All right. Range, we got a fake out here, came back down in that range, fake out here, came back in the range, and boom, now we broke. All right, so we broke once again. We need to stay above. So are we going to get a break and retest to continue up? That would be perfect. We got this zone here. And we got this zone here. All right. Perfect. Let's take a look at the downside here. All right, so now let's adjust our zone. So let me do this in French again. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures, principalement, le prix était dans une consolidation. Donc, on a finalement sorti de cette consolidation-là, mais c'était un fake-out. On est revenu en bas dans le range. On a eu un autre petit fake-out ici. On est revenu dans le range. On a un fake-out vers le bas. On est revenu dans le range. Et là, on a finalement brisé au-dessus du range. Donc, on va voir ce qui va se passer. Voyons voir sur le 1 heure. So, let's adjust those zones right here. So, on va effacer ça. All right, perfect. Yep, this was good. All right, so let's see now we're rejecting exactly the same area. So that 250, I'm telling you, this 250 is key. So yeah, I want to make sure we go above here. Let's see if we can get a break and retest. Perfect. 30 minute. 30 minute. So this is our new zone. So I'm gonna update that. All right, so now we understand what happened here. So yeah, perfect. Okay, that's good. Let's take a look at this. Perfect. Excellent. And update up here. Perfect. All right, good. Excellent. Excellent. So now we can actually use our friend Fibbo. And let's see now, this is the start of the push. And we have our golden zone right here. Perfect. All right, so what I want to see, there's two things I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to be either looking at price to come down right around here, form support to continue up, right? This is something I'm going to be looking at, or I'm going to be looking at price coming above here, this and this above 250, or this is the third plan. Going to be looking at this on the major QP. And the reason why is I'm pretty sure this should be around the 382 level, if I'm not wrong. Oh, yeah, exactly. 382 right here. Okay, so the 382 is also a rejection level, and it's right at the major QP. So that can be a good spot here to form support to go retest this high. Because we know, when we start a trend, price likes to create a new high, come down, form support, go retest the high, right? So actually this I'm going to erase this because I'm pretty sure, this is what's going to happen. Yeah. So this is something I'm going to be looking at. All right. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. All right, so we got a chart coming on from Patrick. Patrick. Let's take a look at this. Oops. All right, so we got buys, counter trend, GZ. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Excellent. Good job, Patrick. This makes a lot of sense. You see, we were looking at the same thing. He sent you a chart before I explained all this. You see how the satisfaction is good, right? When you send your chart before the explanation, and now you realize that we're looking at the same thing, man, it's so nice. All right, let's take a look at GA. Donc, toujours bon d'envoyer son chart en premier, avant que je commence à expliquer, même si je le regarde qu'après, c'est satisfaisant de voir qu'on regarde la même chose, puis que tu l'as envoyé avant que j'aille commencer à expliquer. So let me do this in French very quickly because I forgot to do it. Sorry, guys. Donc, ce que je regarde principalement, c'est que je vais regarder pour que le prix vienne en bas ici, former un support dans la golden zone pour pousser vers le haut, ou de former un support autour du QP majeur 153, qui serait aussi le niveau de réjection 382 sur le fib. Donc, ça, c'est les deux choses que je vais regarder là à ce niveau-ci. All right, so now let's do this GA. GA, baby. So GA monthly came down, now start rejecting. So far respected previous low, of course, because it's very low. And respected previous high so far. Donc, jusqu'à date, on a respecté le haut précédent et le bas précédent. Attendez-moi juste un petit instant, je dois aller me boucher. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I can't wait for those renovation to be done, man, because the dust is crazy. Oh boy. Sorry about that. All right, so this monthly candle respected previous high, previous low. Looking at the monthly, the weekly, sorry. Same idea. This previous weekly had no top wick though. So less probability for price to continue to up. And this daily candle started to go up, created the stop wick, and now started to come down. And if you look on the weekly time frame, let's take a look at something. Yeah, so price can come down around this major QP right here, which is the 87,000. 87,000 around this area, or again in this golden zone right here. So something to take a look at on the daily. On the daily, let's take a look on the daily. Daily is rejecting the golden zone as we speak. Donc, le chart journalier rejette la golden zone jusqu'à maintenant. On va voir, on a formé un support ici, on a brisé le haut précédent. OK, parfait. Close small body candle. We kind of retest this high right here and rejected it. So are we going to create a resistance here to come down? We'll see today, but I'm pretty sure that's what's going to happen. So, but we got to trade where we see, right? So let's take a look at the 4 hours. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. All right, so 4 hours, man, this is so ugly. So freaking ugly. So this was the zone. So price came up, broke the zone, created new resistance. So now this is our newest zone. Oh, Monsieur la Moustache.
Yes, sir. Bon matin.
Good morning, Mr. Mark. Bon matin. Yeah, price action is so ugly now. It's all over the place. So nasty.
So, G, ça?
Yeah.
Assez affreux, merci.
Yeah, G is horrible right now.
Et puis, man, c'est un range de genre 75 pips, là.
Yeah, this is so weird. Donc, vraiment pas un très beau price. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to even look at GA today because, I mean, the only way I'm going to be looking at GA is if we come back above here, 89,000 and do something very nice, like a nice engulfing support above this area. Yes, but except that, so ugly. Donc, je regarderai pas vraiment le pound et le dollar australien aujourd'hui. C'est vraiment pas beau comme price action. Donc, je vais attendre soit d'être au-dessus de 89 000 pour commencer à regarder ou en haut de 89 500. Ça vaut pas la peine là, présentement. All right, so let's take a look at gold then. Let's take a look at gold.
En daily, mon gars, là. Yo!
Comment?
En daily, ça le melt, là.
Crazy. Crazy. So monthly, as you see, monthly is it's a start of a downtrend, as you see. Now we kind of attempt to break this monthly support, got rejected. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois sur l'or, on a tapé le support du mois et on a rejeté. Let's take a look at daily. Holy. Daily, what a melt. So what a melt. So we had this. We had this double top and we had this neckline right here. Got broken and melt. Okay, perfect. So this was the story behind this. This was the flash crash. Donc, si on regarde ce chart du jour journalier, on a vu qu'on avait un double top, un double sommet. On a brisé la neckline et on a continué vers le bas. C'était ce qu'on appelle un flash crash pour gold. Voyons voir maintenant. So this area. Yeah, you see all those rejection here. Perfect. And yeah, many wick rejection at this level, as you see in the past. OK, so let's go on a 4 hour. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on voit qu'on a plusieurs réjections là, à ce niveau-ci et à ce niveau-ci. Si on regarde tout ici, c'est une zone de problème. Et c'est là où est-ce que la nouvelle chandelle journalière a ouverte, devrais-je dire. All right, so now looking at 4 hours. Not much here. Let's take a look here on the left. What we got. Okay. We got 1 hour. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Just ranging in this area. So basically for gold now, I mean, it's either you want to be like above this area, because here, I don't know, I don't like it, to be honest. So above 1750. Yeah, above 1750, which is a key level also, or anything under, let me put the zone smaller. There you go. What the hell? You know what? So annoying. There we go. Easier like this. Okay. So I want to see something under this level. So I want to see something like this. Or above here. So that's the two things I'm going to be looking at. There is a big chance for price now to continue down because we failed on creating a new high on 4 hours. So as you see, price came down, formed a new low, came up, failed on creating a new high. So we have a high lows and now start to come down. So we'll see. So this is for gold. All right, so we can keep an eye on this. Whatever. All right, let's go back to GJ. Awesome. What time is it? 7 a.m. So this 1 hour just closed. So this 1 hour just closed bearish, pretty medium-sized candle. So it looked like we're going to continue down. Now this new 1 hour candle is going to start going up, creating this top wick. And once we're going to be breaking the low, probably going to be ending up to 153 major QP. And I'm going to expect forming support around this area to continue up, or we might continue down lower and form support in this golden zone. But I'm pretty sure we're going to reject 153 because it's also a 382 fib rejection level. Donc, c'est aussi un réjection sur le 382 à ce niveau-ci et un QP majeur. Donc, on devrait avoir une grosse chance de former un support à ce niveau-ci. Si on forme un support à ce niveau-ci, c'est là où est-ce que je serais que je vais prendre une entrée. So if we do form support around this area or this area, this is where I'm going to be setting up my trade and for GJ. So let me see here. Any question? Perfect sound is good. I think buys above 153, 200 GJ, clean candles can send chart. Yeah, send chart, Maximus. Yeah, send charts, guys. Don't be shy. How's the kitchen renovation going? Pretty good. I'm gonna do a video after this. It's doing good. The floor is done. Missing just a small part because we were short on the floor, so I should get it tomorrow. The cabinet are coming in Thursday, I think, if I'm not wrong. Fridge and everything's coming in Friday. So yeah, it's a big week. Big week for the kitchen tonight, this week. Yeah, so pretty happy. Bonjour Sacha, quel âge as-tu? Ouf, un gros 39 ans, Bob Burger.
Bob Burger.
I love it, Bob Burger,
Yeah.
man. 39. Ouais. Je m'en viens un vieux crouton. Donc, you're no longer with Raja? No, I decided to add many requests like last year for me to start something. And I decided to jump and do it. So nothing happened between me and Raja. Absolutely nothing. We still talk. I mean, now it's been a while, but yeah, everything's good. I just decided to do my own thing. Yep. I'm in school for a bit. Then YH. What's YH? YH. You see, I'm too old for those acronyms. Can you say acronyms?
Shortcut words. Ah, je sais pas qu'est-ce que ça veut dire, YH.
YH, maybe.
C'est un rapper en québécois.
All right, let's take a look at this chart here coming from Mark Stash.
Ah, mes labels sont pas là, esti.
Oh, missing.
Ah, man! J'avais fait un wheelchair, j'avais fait un bonhomme qui grimpe en dessous de la trendline. Mais ouais, buy above 153 or maybe a retest of the golden zone, maybe with a wick. But if we close in this range, even though we have a golden zone, it's gonna be tricky because going back
you want the support candle to be closing above 1.
Yeah, exactly. So, but yeah, we have the same bias.
Nice.
Ah, mes petits dessins sont pas là, man. That's a bummer.
Oh, WH means yay. Oh.
Ah, fait que 2 lettres pour en sauver 2, dans le fond.
Ah, ben écoute, c'est un bon ratio. Là.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, maybe, I'll send a chart. Okay, perfect.
Makes sense.
All right, let's put some music.
Gros trap beat.
Let's put music. Oh, that's loud. All right, let me know if the sound is too loud for the music. On Zoom, is it too loud?
No, it's perfect.
Vous l'entendez?
Yeah.
So let me know on YouTube if the music is too loud. All right, so Abdo golden zone, what it means. All right, so I'm going to tell you. So the golden zone is a fib level. So basically we called it the golden zone because if you put your fib, it's the rejection level between the 50 and the 618 right here, right? So this is often a rejection level. This is where I like to take my entries, if I have a confirmation, of course. So if you're new here, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. And if you're new and you didn't subscribe yet, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I go live every Tuesday and Thursdays morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern for summertime. And if not during the year, I go live at 5:30 a.m. And also, we have Forex Talk Over Beer on Wednesday night and Friday night. This starts at 6 p.m. Eastern, and we do go over trades that we took during the week. We explain why and how. We have a drink with you. We can have fun, answer Q&As, and sometimes random subject, right? So Forex Talk Over Beer is pretty cool. Pretty fun, I should say. All right, so let's see. That's why Sasha has middle-aged kitchen party. Because I'm 39, right? Yeah, you're right. Kitchen party, baby. Hey man, we should be at 50 likes in no time, guys. Help me out here. Smash that like button, guys. Donc, on devrait être à 50 likes au moins, là. Donc, donne-moi un petit coup de main ici.
On devrait être au moins à 20 personnes dans le Zoom, puis on est 11.
Ouais,
What's up with that? Everybody on vacation or what?
Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of people on vacation, look like. So this 1 hour now is started and went up all the way up. No bottom wick so far. Yeah, G is so ugly. I have no plan for G. Gold is just rangy. Oh my gosh, it looked like it's gonna be another waiting session. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Waiting to close above. Hold on, wait a second. Get the stream to 50 likes and Sasha will invite us to one of his kitchen parties. Yeah, you're right, man. But you know what? Friday, I'm gonna announce something for next week. So make sure you're gonna be at Forex Talk Over Beer Friday. I'm gonna have something special.
Oh ouais, ça se passe vendredi.
Ouais, monsieur. Waiting a close above 153.200 to take a buy. Is the 15-minute enough to consider that's gonna keep pushing? For me, 15 minutes is a weak confirmation time frame, right? The reason why I stopped looking at 15 minutes because I got way too many losses on 15 minutes in the past, decided to stop trading it, focusing on 30-minute and above. And since then, my win ratio increased so much. So for me, I never look, I mean, I look at the 15 minutes to see what's happening, but I will not take a trade based on 15 minutes. Because for me, it's a weak confirmation time frame. So many fake outs on 15 minutes. 30-minute is more solid, right? And don't forget, the first 15 minutes of a new 30-minute candle usually is going to go on the opposite direction to create a top wick or the bottom wick to continue up or down, depending on the direction, right? So this is normal to spend the first half of this candle above and start coming down on the second half of the candle. So if you trade on the 15-minute, you're going to take a trade on the first 15-minute, and you know that the second part of the 30-minute is going to come down. So that's why it gets tricky. So that's why I focus on 30 minutes. But right now, this 30-minute actually did broke previous high, so we'll see. But 1 hour did respect it. So 1 hour is a higher confirmation time frame. Mark it down on your calendar, guys. Friday, FTOB. Yes. First stock over beer. Friday. I'm going to have a surprise for you guys. So far, no losses this month. Pretty excited.
Good morning.
Perfect month so far.
Oh, le petit Miller, il est là.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to be very cautious this morning. No losses so far. I want to continue the winning streak.
That winning streak is
So
solid.
far, my biggest winning streak is 13 straight days. So this is my record. And now we are, I think, at 8 trading days, if I'm not wrong. Cinq, six. So far, 6 days. So halfway to beat that record. My personal record. Abdo, thank you, Sasha. You're welcome. Nice. How many trades you took today? None. Today, none. This month, I took a trade every day. Oh, no, you're right. So it's been 5 days. I didn't took any trade Fridays.
No.
Yeah, I missed it. I was about to take it, and they cut my electricity because they were changing the electricity panel because I'm doing some renovation at home. I was just about to take that trade, and they came and said, "Hey, man, I'm gonna cut electricity." I'm like, "Oh shit!" So, but yeah. So except for Friday, so I took so basically five trading days so far. So yeah. So why the win streak is at 5 days.
Ah, puis hier, le Ducktail, man, pour une fois que genre, je suis là, je suis en OK, c'est un Ducktail, je le prends.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Il est revenu.
Yeah.
C'était triste.
C'était tricky hier, là, genre.
C'était clean en plus, là.
Ah ouais! On
Ouais.
avait de la place pour au moins 25-30 pipes, là.
All right, don't be shy, guys. If you have charts to look at, send your chart on the chat. In the chat. TradingView did a little update here, so you need to click on this camera button. You click on copy link, and when you're going to paste it on YouTube, you need to erase the first part. You just keep the \X to the other \. Donc, si vous voulez partager votre chart, simplement cliquez sur ce bouton-là, cliquez sur le copy link et vous allez garder seulement la fin. Vous allez effacer le début, vous allez garder la partie qui a la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à la fin.
Hey Phil, t'aurais été fier de mon chart, là. J'ai mis des trendlines tout. Mais faut croire que t'étais encore en bobette avec ta petite.
Yeah, j'attends mes résultats de CFA, actually, so a little bit nervous right now.
Oh!
On va vivre ça ensemble, esti.
Non, la caméra va être tough en ici.
Hein?
I'm gonna close my camera when I get them.
Le gars, il pleure comme une petite boule, genre.
Mhm.
Mais non, ça va bien aller, Phil, t'as une machine, Carlos.
Le gars, il a pas confiance, man.
Ah ouais, aie confiance, bro.
Yeah.
T'as une machine, là, gros. Hey, Sasha, sorry for asking a lot. No, by the way, guys, it's okay, man. We're here for that, so don't be shy. But could you explain how could you take the 8 a.m. London move? Because I was watching the 30-minute candle, making a low wick, but didn't take it. 8 a.m. London, that means 8 a.m. London.
2 a.m. here, I think.
Yeah, genre London Open.
So let's do this. All right, so let's say we have this range. So that means we got this zone right here. All right, so we got this zone a little lower. Let's put it here. All right, so we got this range, right? So this is for people that were trading at for London session. So you have this range. So now what you want price to come above this zone, right? So for me, if I don't see that, I mean, I'm not taking it. If you're looking left now, here you got room to go to this next major QP, right? But don't forget, there's a lot of noise behind. So this is not the ideal setup, to be honest. But yes, if you have a break and retest or dogtail setup, because at this time you got volume, right? So let's see what we got here. Let's say we switch candle here. All right, so we got this candle now breaking this minor zone that's right here, right? But don't forget, you still have this zone. Actually, this zone should be right here. Sorry, guys. Let me check on the 1 hour. Yeah, okay. And you adjust it on 30 minutes, so that will be the zone right here. Okay, perfect. Sorry. So if you look on 1 hour, this is your zone, right? So you put it right here, and after that you adjust it on 30 minutes because this is where price was ranging. It came up, make resistance, came down, fake out to the downside, came back in the range, fake out to the upside, came back down in the range. Sorry, guys, I'm gonna have to go pick up a pill after for my allergy. Having a hard time. And now if you look on the, this is 1:30 a.m. So now you got this candle that start to close above this range. So now what you want the next candle to wick down, create this tail on the dog tail setup, because this is 1:30, so this is going to be the 2 a.m. candle. You know there's going to be volume in the market, right? So what you want this next candle right here to come down lower, form the wick, and once it break the high, this is where you take the entry. You can expect at least a wick fill right here and to go to this resistance right here, minimum. This is where you're going to be securing some profits and you're going to let the rest run. So now let's see how it's going to play out. So if you do break this high after creating a bottom wick, this is where I'm going to be entering, right? So let's see how this plays out. Actually, here we go. So you see it wick down first. Did it wick down first? Yeah, it did wick down first and came back up and came back as a doji. So at this stage, I mean, this is a write-off candle. So I'm going to be still holding this trade. And there you go now. So even now, you would have a second opportunity to take this trade. Let's say you missed it here. Now you got your break and retest. Now you got a massive engulfing candle, right? 230. Perfect. And at 230, there's volume in the market also. You're rejecting now this resistance as we speak. So this is where you're going to securing some profits or put stop and break even, right? So in this case, this is only 8 pips. So in my case, I would only put stop and break even, right? Because we're right here at this resistance and it's very noisy behind it. So I'm going to be putting stop and break even and aim for 15 pips right here. So stops at break even. So let's see. And here we go. So I would be stop and break even on this trade.
Yep.
So this is how I would be taking it, right? Basically. If I wasn't in this trade at first, after this huge wick down and breaking the high, with this tail, the size of this tail, there's a lot of fuel in this candle to continue up. So if I wasn't taking this entry right here, this is where I would have been taking it. Or giving a trade a second chance. This is a pretty good opportunity. Huge rejection to the downside, break the high. So this is actually, let me see. This is a 14 pips stop loss. And aiming for 15. Yeah, this one would be.
Ça, c'est sketch parce qu'il y avait le major color point d'en face.
Yeah. But at this time, you expect volume, right? So this is the only place that you can. But to be honest, it was not a nice setup. Yes, it moved up, but for me, I would be like looking at this behind and be like, I don't know. You know, it's not ideal.
How's it, Sasha?
Who was that?
Can you hear me?
Oh, Timmy.
No, Brian, can you hear me?
Oh, Brian. Yeah, yes, I hear you.
I took that trade this morning.
Oh, nice.
You know the doji candle?
Yeah.
Then the second bullish candle.
Yeah.
I waited for the following candle. I waited for the wick down and then it went up. So I put a picture in the Discord, but obviously I've taken all my marks off, so I can't post it now. But yeah, I got in, I waited for it to wick down and then got into a broke high for the wick full. And then there was another wick full previously that I went for.
Oh, that's nice.
So I think it was like 12 something pips eventually.
Yeah, he did put it on Discord with nice label chart with numbers. That's pretty nice, Brian.
You got to do the numbers, huh?
Yep.
Let me check.
Le premier chart dans London chat.
Oh, yeah. Right here. All right, so let's see. Waiting for range to break pre. I don't see this.
Pre-London.
Yeah. Oh, pre-London. Okay, perfect. 2 waiting to fill previous 4-hour wick. Excellent. London open candle getting volume. 4 waited for bottom wick. If it run away, so be it. Needed bottom wick. Price action broke high, took entry. Excellent.
Smart.
Excellent, Brian. That's pretty good, man. This is exactly what I just said.
Yeah.
Target was 153. Runner to continue. Runner can run. Awesome. And very nice chart.
Thanks.
That's how you know students really learn something in the course.
Yeah, that's pretty.
It's getting better and better and better. But London is tricky, guys. Our pre-London is tricky. It's very.
Oh, yeah.
That the candle after the doji went up and down like 6 or 7 times. I mean, it was like, do I close the trade? Do I leave the trade? Do I close the trade? Do I leave the trade? But it's what it is. And pre-London is like that, so I'm getting used to it.
Nice. Session, nice. Okay. Okay. So hopefully, Abdo, that answered the question. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Sir, drink green tea. It's good for flu cough. Oh, I don't have flu or cough. It's allergies. Yeah. Actually, let me go grab an allergy pill right now.
Le gars va être knock-out, c'est Benadryl, check bien. Phil avec son chat, man, la mascotte. Juste chilling.
Yeah, just vibing.
Yo, faut pas que tu tournes ta chaise trop vite, il va se faire éjecter.
I know.
That's so a weird cat.
Yeah, he's a weird one. Just loves to be around me though all the time. Hey, Miles.
C'est quoi son nom déjà?
Milo.
Milo. Je pense que tu l'as jamais dit en plus.
Je l'appelle Miles.
Miles.
Milester. Milester.
Il est genre, hey, yo, t'as-tu des croquettes?
Non, il veut juste des câlins.
Hmm.
Le matin, quand je me lève, là, il tend ma face.
This
All
is
right. Is this how to share a chart? Just got trading view. Paul, you got to click on this camera button. You click on copy link to the chart image. And on YouTube, you cannot paste full link. So you're going to have to delete the first part. Only keep the backslash of it with the X to the other backslash. Oh, you're welcome, Abdo. All right, man, this toe is hurting so much. I'm going to the hospital today. Probably going to check up. I think it's broken. I think my big toe is broken. It hurts so much.
What?
Yeah, it's been 3 weeks and still big and blue and, you know.
Blue, dabidi.
All right.
Yeah, pretty slow session again and again and again.
I know it's the new thing of the month of August.
Yeah.
Price don't move until like
A lot of people have vacation in August though, so it's not.
Yeah. It's the end of the summer. September should resume like normal, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hopefully.
I was talking to oh no, I was reading like my girlfriend's one of my girlfriend's email from her boss, and she was saying that Q4 starts in September because December there's always a shit month, and she was kind of right.
Ouais, le temps des fêtes pis tout, là.
Yeah. Already 4.5 months left of 2021.
Yeah, that's crazy.
All right, so this candle doesn't look like it wants to come down. So if it's not the case, I'm going to be looking for something above 200, I guess.
Mm-hmm. On n'a même pas de nouvelles aujourd'hui en plus. C'est demain CPI.
Yeah, 2 more CPI.
Ouais, fait qu'on a vraiment que dalle pour nous aider.
All right, so now we got this 30-minute close. This 30-minute close like engulfing, but right at this mini range here on 30 minutes. So now this candle start to break a high already, but there's no bottom wick yet. So this is a no-go for me. And it's a little too early for impulse entry from my
Very
side.
close to the QP as well.
Yeah,
Look
I
at the
like I like to
250
take
is a good
impulse
time.
entry. I start to take impulse entry around 8 a.m. Before that,
Yeah.
in the past, I had too many fake outs.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can wait for the H1 to close. It's gonna
Yeah.
be a stronger confirmation, and hopefully we're gonna close above 200. We'll see. Another 30 minutes to wait.
The best would be even closing above 250 because we would be above.
If this 1 hour actually close above like 200, it's gonna be a nice engulfing support, above this resistance. That would be amazing.
Yeah.
Morning, guys. You're not worried about that being an overshot right now?
Morning.
Well, it was not trending up, but yes, you are right. It can be also reversal.
Yeah.
But it was not trading like massively up, So overshot, undershot, you want to take a look at them when it's trending, like this was a huge trend here to the upside, and it went to 250 and got rejected, and that's where it started to range, right? But now it's coming out of a range, so this trend is kind of, not super powerful. But yeah, you're right. 250 can be a reversal. Bob's Burger hit 10 pips on GA short. Oh, Lee, GA short. Let me check that.
GA shorts.
Okay.
Ben content pour lui.
Yeah, GA was super tricky here. Way too much noise for me. Under this area, though, for shorts makes sense. Like under this area, under the 88,650, around there. So this makes sense. You have like, how many pips is that? Next 20-ish pips. Yeah, that would make sense. Or another way to take it. To be honest, I was not expecting price to come down, but like you got this double top-ish, right? So neckline right here. So if you want to take it on the break of this low, yeah, that can also work. Officials, bro, where can I learn about trade for order block?
Here.
For sure not here. I don't use order blocks.
Mais je connais quelqu'un qui a l'air super bon là-dedans, je peux te le référer.
But yeah, no. I would say I think Jevin's using those, if I'm not wrong. Capital Hungry, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I had someone, I can't remember who. One of the course I took, it was explaining order blocks and imbalance and those stuff. I tried it. It was not working very well for me, so that's why I'm not saying it's not working. I don't want to start a debate. It was not working for me. And that's it. So since then, the only block I use is the Lego block. Play with my kid.
Je m'en ai dit une connerie, mais je vais garder ça pour moi.
Bubs, my entry was based on rejection the daily high on 5-minute time frame. Oh, okay, I see. GA 5 minute. Okay. Pretty nice. Man, if this daily close like this, it's massive.
Yep.
So this level is also the 4-hour high. We came down and broke, we came down, created bottom wick on 4 hours. So now it looks like we're ready. If we break this level, it's probably gonna just shoot up.
Man, je veux 15 pips, là.
Yeah, so basically if this candle, this 1 hour candle close above this range is gonna be pretty interesting. All right. So let's see. Hey, Sasha, do you always hold on? Wait a second. ICT on YouTube. Okay, here we go. Order blocks are just supply demand zone. Just use a supply demand indicator. Nothing new. People are acting like they discovered fire. I know. It's yeah.
People are acting like they discover fire. That's good.
Yeah, I like that one. Like people think order block is like, oh my gosh, this is how the bank trades. Like nobody knows how the bank trades, guys. Don't remember that. Nobody knows. So the only way you'll know if you worked at a bank for many years, you know.
Et on dit les banques, là, mais il n'y en a pas rien qu'une. Là. Chaque banque a
Yeah.
genre leur stratégie.
Yeah.
Quand même, tu sais comment HSBC trade, il y a plein d'autres mondes.
There's a shitload of institutions that don't trade the same way. So, anyways, Abdul, hey Sasha, do you always the formation of the lower or top wick before entering the trade? Most of the time, yes. Most of the time. Depends. Sometimes I do enter on the opening of the candle if I have enough confirmations. Banks are long, short. Banks want to differ. Yeah, the banks are edging most of the time, right? Some traders in a bank might be long for a few seconds, some short for a few weeks. Some banks needs to edge client exposure. Exactly, Bubs. Yeah. So that's why it always make me laugh when I see someone say, "Hey, I'm gonna show you how to trade like banks." It's like, dude, get the fuck out of here. Just like, it makes me
Goodbye,
laugh.
blue sky.
Yeah, makes me laugh, man. Nobody knows, man. Nobody fucking knows.
Puis on n'a pas besoin de savoir non plus.
No.
Come on, GJ, do something.
Yeah. If we do break this 4-hour support,
field, man.
if we broke this 4-hour support, dude, it might be my first trade on gold.
Le gars Saint-Lô, man. Great
Full margin. Full margin, fuck it.
Great down. Fait que legit, tu pourrais te partir un petit compte, là, tu mets genre 2-3 kits dedans, puis...
Ah, peut-être ça que je vais faire.
Mais en même temps, gérer 2 accounts, des fois, ça peut être tricky.
Ouais, je me connais, là.
Je connais aussi.
Je me connais, c'est des plans, je crée sur un 50 là, au lieu d'un 0.5.
Not enough margin left. Ding, ding.
Ouais.
Oh, Phil, il est pas là. D'après moi, il a eu ses résultats.
Oui, dans la sphère. Ouais, attends, faut que je fasse attention sur YouTube. Um, what's the secret to getting you to look at my very first chart, bro? Oh, there's no secret. I'm gonna look at it right now.
Oh,
Oh, because that's your first time you send it. Oh, if you sent it before and I didn't look at it, it's because you sent a full link and YouTube deleted automatically. That's why I didn't see it. But yeah, let's see. Can I do this? How can I do this now? Save chart, copy link, chart, copy. Let's try this. Okay. Yeah, so basically TradingView did an update and it's kind of
ouais, ça gosse un peu.
pain in the butt.
Un peu pas mal, même.
Here we go. So first chart from Paul. So let's take a look at this. This is GJ 1 hour. Potential impulse entry above this week. Okay, nice. Potential impulse sells below this week. Why this one? Because it's the lowest one. Sells below here. Okay, no trade range. Buys above 153, 200. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense, man. Add quarter points. Ooh.
That's my only comment.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. Yep. It's gonna give you a good idea.
Pretty nice chart, and
Yeah.
good job for sending in the chat. Not everybody has the balls to do it.
Correct. So good job, Paul. Oh man, I actually forgot to send the Zoom link to our guest.
Eux autres sont là, ils sont à la table, ils sont
Yeah.
comme ouais, Sacha il est pas trop très stable.
Hey, wait a second, guys. Sorry.
Un cadeau empoisonné. Anyway, ils ont rien manqué de ben.
Copy messaging. Sorry, guys. Completely forgot to send the link at everyone. Oops. Wrong. Can do that. Invite. Moi, je fais ça, invite. Wait a second. There we go. Sorry, guys. Paul says that was terrifying. Sending a chart? Yeah, I know. Can be crazy. Let's see. Thank you, bro. Bob's Burger. Oh, okay. Oh, you got 2 accounts. Okay, I see. All right, we're up to 30 likes. We should get to 50 likes, man. So if you didn't smash the like button yet, do it so. I have sell stop right below 1723.10 on gold. 1723. Oh, right here. Okay, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, there's many questions I didn't see. Wait a second. Let's see. If you've got a few billion at your disposal, then you can trade like a bank. Otherwise, you are a retail trader. Yeah, definitely, Jeremy. Yeah, I've seen traders and banks just day trading, some looking to make swaps, interest on their position. Some traders trade based on land and sea, million different things banks do. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, so don't get fooled by people saying, hey man, let me show you how banks trade. I have a sell stop right below. Okay, so that come on the street. What do you think about Euro USD? Will it break 1710? I don't know. I didn't look at Euro USD, but Skull, what you can do is send a chart. Send a chart on Euro USD. We're gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna give you my insight. Learn from everyone, but only rely on your own analysis and risk management. You're right. Totally. The number one reason traders fail is due to having small deposit and huge expectation of how much money they can make. This is so true, man. So true. Yeah, so true. Another long session. So let's text, show text. H4, 5. Let's call it like that. Let's go black. And go like this. Bottom, center, top. Like this. Yeah. Should I put it red? The same color as the line? Yeah, no, black. Let's put it in 7. How can I do that again? Oh, there we go. Save drawing template. H4. Let's do it like this. Excellent. All right. So thank you, bro. How do I send it? So once again, you need to click on this camera button. You click on copy link to the chart image. So when you're going to do that, you're going to go paste it on YouTube. But when you're going to paste it on YouTube, don't press enter right away because your link's going to be deleted by the YouTube automatically. You need to erase the first part. You're only going to keep the \X to the other \, and that's it. Hey, Sasha, could you give us some information about prop firms and when it's the right time to do the challenge? Sure. For me, my favorite one is Funding Talent. I did try FTMO also, but Funding Talent was the best. They got the best program, the best split commission, best customer service. So yeah, so that's about that. You should try prop firms when you've been 3 consecutive months in a row in the positive. You know, if you've been profitable for 3 consecutive months, this is where you want to be looking at prop firms, not before. Yeah. And if you want to try Funding Talent, the link's in the description. So this is the affiliate link. So if you use it, that will be very appreciated. Of course, I have the affiliate link of FTMO also, but to be honest, I don't share that one because I don't really believe in them anymore. So I mostly referred all my students to Funding Talent. Yes. I'm not promoting anything but search FXCM threats. A successful trader This is study done by a broker. Oh, cool. Hi, Sasha, do you have two vision of a trade like Raja, or just take a trade based on higher time frame trend and never go against that? It all depends on the way it looks, right? Right now, for me, I don't need a second bias because I mean, I'm not going to be selling here. The only place I'm going to be selling is under this area, right? So if price comes down, so at that time, I will be revisiting my ideas. But until then, it's not worth it because I mean, yeah, we're above here, so I'm not looking. If it was in a range, I'll be like, I'm going to be buying here, I'm going to be selling here, you know. But here, I'm mostly looking to buy, right? So, but if it comes down under this area, that's going to be a different story. But yeah, sometimes I'm open. I'm not fixed to one idea, right? But most of the time, I try to trade with the trend, right? So. We got some good questions this morning. That's pretty good, man. So once again, if you didn't subscribe to the channel and you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't like the stream, smash that like button. Donc, pour les gens qui sont avec nous en français, so don't forget it's the French session, so I'll be bouncing from French to English. So let me explain this right away. Donc, ce que je disais tantôt, c'est que la personne me demandait si souvent j'avais deux idées de trade comme Raja. Donc, j'ai souvent deux idées quand le prix, c'est pas certain dans quelle direction il va. Dans ce côté ici, j'ai une idée pour un achat. Ça sert à rien de parler d'une vente parce que je vais regarder à la vente seulement en dessous de cette région-là. Donc, c'est pour ça que je focus principalement sur l'achat en ce moment. Yeah, G is so noisy. Like under this area can be a nice sell here because H1 and 30 minutes are pretty clean here to this zone. So if you were looking to take an entry on G, I think after this wick up, when it breaks the low, you can expect volume now, start coming in and break this zone. But for me, it's a no-go. I mostly take impulse entries starting at 8 a.m. Or if I see a huge candle before, that means there's volume in the market, right? So I'm gonna allow myself to take an impulse entry. But if not, this is like a medium-sized candle, so not too excited. Just melt and melt, great, awesome. Anyways, there's 6 minutes left into this candle, so I think it's worth to wait a close under and do a dogtail setup on the next one, so you can have better confirmation. So right now, just rangy here. Yeah, after breaking this 4-hour high, man, it's gonna be pretty nice. Clean traffic to the left. It's gonna be pretty nice. Oops.
Ah, il est toujours en même place, man.
Un autre vieux matin.
Check bien à 10h30, il va y avoir rien du tout.
Ouais.
Notre chum, il a écrit dans le groupe.
Ouais, j'ai vu.
Je sais pas qu'est-ce qu'il veut dire par quelque chose qui a l'air beau, mais moi, je vois rien du tout.
Ben, c'est sûrement parce que les banques ils disent que ça a l'air beau. Il y a sûrement eu un indice secret.
Yo, le range à M30, là, il fait donc bien chier.
Ouais. Ouais, il est dégueu.
Yup, it is what it is.
Yeah, 1 hour is more
Yeah.
clean.
Mm-hmm. But do I really want to take an intro on that?
No.
Nope.
Ah, man, I just reinstalled Destiny on Xbox.
Ooh, oh, gros throwback. 360 or Xbox One?
Xbox One.
Ah, yeah. Good old times.
Yeah, boy.
Destiny, Halo.
Yeah, the reason is because I was playing that game like a couple years ago with my brother and one of my friends. My brother just bought the new Xbox, the X series, I think. So, and he got Destiny, and with the new updates, the new how you call that, those patch,
The
those,
M1 chip.
no, those expansion of the game.
Ah,
Anyways,
yeah.
whatever. So yeah, so I think we'll start again. So if you have any Destiny players here, let me know. I'm gonna give you my Xbox tag. All right, so this 1 hour just closed. This 1 hour closed. Bullish candle. No, no bottom wick here. So if this next one start to wick down and break the high here, it might be interesting. Might be interesting, but I'm not going to be taking an entry right here. But if H1, if we do break H1 high, there's a big chance we're going to break H4 high, right? So let's see. GA is making a top wick, but the 30-minute close with no wick at the top. Oh, 30-minute. Oh, you mean at the bottom, you mean? Yeah, now if this GA candle wicks up like this and start to come down and break the low, now it's gonna be nice. Yes, it's gonna be nice for sells. Yeah, GA if it wicks up and start rejecting and break the low. Yep. All right, I'll be right back. Need some more water.
Be right back. BRB.
Need some more water.
Drink your water.
All right. Toi, t'as pas ça, un Xbox, c'est vrai?
Yeah, j'ai une one.
Ah ouais? Ouais.
Ben oui.
Et tu joues pas ça tu joues pas à Destiny?
Non, je joue plus à des jeux de course. Je suis ben un gars de char, fait que
Ah ouais, hein?
Forza, j'ai un petit sim là, avec volant, pédale, shifter.
Ouh! Tu joues à F1?
Non, je joue à Dirt Rally puis à Forza.
Ouais, le
Je
nouveau
joue à
Forza est
code, là.
sorti, le Forza 7, je pense, le plus récent.
Ben, t'as les Forza Horizon, là, sont genre rendus au 5, je pense. Puis t'as les
Ok,
Forza
ouais.
plus simulation, là,
Ok.
sinon Assetto Corsa pour simulation de drift. Sinon, je
Ouais.
joue à code, là.
Ah, tu
Minecraft.
joues à code?
Yeah. World
Ben
War
là,
II.
si, on va s'ajouter sur Xbox. Hein?
T'as-tu World War II?
Ben oui.
Ah ben là, Chris.
Ça fait longtemps, tabarnak, que j'ai pas joué à ça.
Ouais, moi tout, ça fait un bail, mais quand j'étais dans ma passe, man, ça y allait.
Mais Destiny, c'est le fun en Chris, man.
Moi, jamais. J'ai jamais joué sur la mienne, mettons. Je l'ai jamais eu, mais ça a l'air cool.
En plus, c'est gratuit avec la Game Pass.
Puis la Game Pass, c'est quand même dirt cheap.
Et c'est 1$ le premier mois, man.
Yeah.
J'ai downloadé genre 12 jeux hier.
Loader à Xbox ben raide.
Chris. C'est 1$, tu niaises, hein?
Puis à quoi d'autre que je jouais? Ah, je jouais à Fortnite, là, quand
Ouais, ouais, ouais.
c'était bien fou. Puis sinon, ah, mais le X-Series, là, je sais pas si tu as vu, mais il y a Flight Simulator dessus, puis ça a l'air vraiment insane.
Ah ouais, on check
Ouais,
ça.
simulation d'avion, là. Yo, sur une console, là, il faut que la console elle roule en tabarouette pour commencer à mettre des jeux lourds de même, là.
Ah, c'est fou. Hein? All right. So, this new 1 hour is coming down. This is good. Also look like kind of, yeah.
En M30, mon gars, c'est de moins en moins beau, là.
30 minutes is just like so ugly right now. Oh, oh.
It is what it is.
Construction boys. All right. So I do apologize in advance if you guys gonna hear some noises in the background. Gotta finish that kitchen, man.
Yeah. On en finit ce cadre. Tes armoires, puis tout, c'est quoi? Ça va-tu être en bois ou.
C'est du thermoplastique qu'ils appellent.
All right. Plancher en bois franc, genre?
Non, j'ai pris quelque chose, ben c'est supposé être de la céramique, puis après,
Ouais.
j'étais comme, j'ai ça, c'est tout le temps en fret, fait que on a pris, c'est un vinyle qui ressemble vraiment à de la céramique old on way, the second way, the second.
Moi, je suis genre freezé, moi.
All right, so if this 1 hour start to break the high of the previous one, this is where I'm going to take an entry. So after, I'm going to use the dogtail setup. So basically, after the tail being formed, if we break the high here, this is where I'm going to get the entry. Because now we're getting close to NY Open. So we should get some volume. And usually around 8:23, often you can see a push. So let's wait for that.
Bon, je suis back again.
Ouais. Hein?
On leur dit, man, à rush un matin. D'après moi, il y a plus de chances qu'on fasse ça.
Ah ouais, moi c'est ce que j'aimerais le plus. Hein? This would be my favorite setup here. To come down over here and push up. And this is maybe a booby trap candle here on 1 hour.
Yep. Tout le monde pas patient, là. Let's go. Rentrez tout en bail.
I've seen Regina, Toronto, and Montreal on YouTube vlog. Oh. Damn. Sasha, what part of Canada are you from? Oh, that was following this question. I was like, wait a second. I thought you would mean that you saw people from those area doing live streams. Sorry, I completely misunderstood that. Sasha, what part of Canada are you from? I'm in Montreal. I mean, really close to Montreal, Quebec. So I've been watching a lot of vlogger in Canada and would love to come visit someday. Yeah, Canada is nice, man. Canada is one of the most beautiful country out there. The reason why it's beautiful, it's because you have no stress, in Canada. You have no stress of violence, of wars. You have no stress of your kid is safe. Your kid's gonna get education. You have medical care. I mean, you don't have to have like jail bars in your windows. I mean, you always have electricity. You always have food. I mean, it's one of the nicest country out there. So it's so safe, like,
and so huge.
Yeah, so huge. So if you can have a chance to be here, trust me, you don't want to leave Canada.
Yep.
Move to South Africa. It's amazing.
Oh, South Africa, I heard is amazing also.
We've got burglar bars and jail everywhere.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I mean, when I say this one of the nicest country, I should say it's not true, because there's so many nicest place out there. I think it's, how can I call it? I really like to say one of the safest place. Yes, one of the safest, I would just say, would be better. But I heard South Africa is amazing.
Faut que j'aille grimper là maintenant.
Yeah, there's many places I want to go, man. There are so many nice countries, to be honest. So many nice countries. And I like a country when the country is able to accept people from other places and accept their lifestyle and accept their religion and accept, I don't like when I go to a place and I have to follow their stuff, because here we're like this. Everyone that come over here, I mean, you can practice your religion, you can speak your language, you can do whatever you want, we accept everyone. So I like a place like that, I don't like going into a country that I have to follow certain rules, by the religion or by the government or, specific stuff, they're being very, how can you call that, dictated people, so I don't like that. Yeah.
Freedom is key.
Yeah. I like a country that, everybody's equal, like you can be Chinese, you can be South African, you can be You can be from any places, and I mean, we accept you as you are, you know. Women have rights, you know, women have rights. So for me, it's very important. Yeah, very, very important. So anyways, side story. G closes with a nice engulfing bullish candle. You're gonna consider that is a fake out, GA?
Close with no wick.
Yeah, close with no wick, but this candle is not done yet. This is just the beginning of the 1 hour. So if it started retracing and breaking the low, now you have a lot of fuel coming down. But yeah, it looks pretty strong bullish right now. But like I said, this is just the beginning of this new 1 hour. And as you see, GJ is coming down now, breaking the low of this 1 hour candle. So now it looks like we're going to be heading to our plan A.
Yeah.
So this is perfect. This was my favorite plan. Pretty excited. So rip all those guys who took a buy here at the break of the high on 30 minutes, or if you were trading on 15-minute and yeah, you took an entry here on the break of this 15-minute. Rip. Because now you got stop loss for sure.
Comme là, il faisait ça. Là.
Qui ça?
Notre préféré.
Non. Oh, dans notre groupe, tu parles?
Yeah.
Oh, ok.
Straight to stop loss. J'entends demain, man, ça va être tout un spectacle.
Ouais, ça va être extraordinaire. So you see, this is how you need to be patient, you know?
Mm-hmm.
This is a perfect example, you know? People are getting excited here. I know there's people who got buys around here, you know? We also have someone in our group, I think. Yeah.
Genre, il n'y a même pas de zone au top dans son chart. Genre, t'es-tu aveugle ou paresseux?
Non, je pense qu'il est juste
Bon.
So yeah, perfect, man. We planned this. Let's go.
We are out of the 30-minute consolidation, which is good.
Oh, George.
Ça va peut-être nous causer problème en revenant.
De comment?
Ça va peut-être nous causer problème en revenant à la consolidation.
Ouais, mais en même temps,
On va avoir du volume.
So George, the opposite of Venezuela, unfortunately. Yeah, I heard Venezuela is pretty hard. Yeah, it's pretty rough, right? But it's a nice place though. It can be nice. South Africa, right? Sure. Just be sure to lock yourself into your own personal prison every night, just so you don't get robbed. Oh, really?
Damn, all right.
Damn. Oh, look at Rhino. Everybody's checking the chart with my phone on the beach. Okay, so this is one of our students in vacation right now. Taking a look at the chart.
Living the good life.
Around the beach, this guy.
Trader lifestyle. Hey, ça fait longtemps que je suis pas allé à la plage, man. Ouh.
Awesome.
Brian said, lonely at the top, hey, Rhino.
That's a good call. That's funny.
Pas de nouvelles de Phil, man. J'espère que ça se passe.
Ouais, c'est ça, c'est inquiétant.
Ouais.
Pauvre petit loup, j'espère qu'il est passé.
Yo, sûrement.
40 likes. Oh, almost. We're at 36. We should get to 40 in no time. Oh, so George said, yes, Sasha, beautiful country, Venezuela, but savage is my country. Oh, that's brutal. Hey, Sasha, how much you risk per trade and how you make the plan of minimizing if the trade goes against you? Thank you and sorry for all those questions. No, those are good questions. So how much I risk per trade? It all depends on the setup. So I'm going to be mostly risking between 1 to 3%. This was when I was building my account before being like very, constant on the profitability side. Now, sometimes I risk a little bit more. I go to 5% sometimes. And yeah, so depends on the setups. If I have setups with many confirmations, I'm gonna risk a little bit more. And how to minimize? I'm gonna look at price action, right? So I'm gonna look at price action and I'm gonna try to cut my losses short, right? But I'm also gonna let the trade breathe because sometimes you choke your trade, so if I take an entry based on 30-minute, let's say, I'm gonna wait for that 30-minute to close to take a decision, right? So if the 30-minute close against me, this is where I'm gonna get out of the trade. If it start breaking the low or the high of the previous 30-minute, this is where I'm gonna be probably cutting 50%. But sometimes just gonna let it play also. All right, are we going to the golden zone? This is even better if it goes to the golden zone. This is amazing.
Amener des vendeurs là, qu'on achète. Damn, volume starts to get in the markets.
Let me do a little story here.
It was about time.
All right, so again, live on YouTube right now, channel called Trade with the Pack. Come join us. We've been planning this move all morning. So basically waiting for price to come down in the golden zone or reject 382 level right here, which is also the major QP. So it was one of the other. So now we're going to wait for support to be formed and we're going to go retest this high and shoot up. So that's why you always going to be patient. So unfortunately, rip all those people who took a buy over here. I think you need to be a little bit more patient and see the bigger picture. So wait for the retracement down, wait for support, and retest the high. Let's go, guys. Pam, 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 pam. Hey, ça gosse. Pourquoi ça fait ça? Échec d'importation. C'est vraiment calme. C'est vraiment cap. J'ai hâte qu'il y ait un update de Instagram.
Ouais, ces temps-ci, les updates de plein d'affaires, ça gosse, man. TradingView, IG.
Ouais. Oh, nice rejection here. Pretty good. So it
Yep.
came all the way very close to this 50 level. Very, very close to this 50 level. And now rejecting 153. Awesome.
Ouais, puis tu sais, notre price action, on l'aurait vers 9h, which is prime time.
Ouais. All right, perfect. Finally worked on Instagram. All right, guys. So, we're getting close to 50 likes, man. Missing 9 likes. Let's go. Yes, Sasha, beautiful, but okay. Draw a fib. Draw a fib. Where? I got my fib. I got my golden zone right here. Yep. Golden zone, and that purple line is a major QP, and also is the 382 level. Ouais, c'est ça. You do lives every day? No, I only go live on Tuesday and Thursday morning. Yes. So if you want to see, you go to, let's say, you go to YouTube. You go to YouTube. You go to the personal page here, and you see the schedule right here. Usually I start at 5:30 a.m. Eastern, but for summertime, I decided to start at 6:30. My Instagram is right here. And if you want to join the academy, I think it's right here, right? Yeah, here we go, right here. So when trading become as simple as I was a walk in the park. Yes, baby.
And you also go live on twice a week on Forex Talk Over a Beer when you break down charts. That's pretty nice also if you cannot attend in the mornings.
Thank you very much, Mark. Yes, Mark's right. So here, Forex Talk Over a Beer on Wednesday and Friday night. Like Mark says, this is where we break down trades. We explain how we took it, when, how, why, you know, answer Q&As. Yeah. Yep. Thank you, Mark.
Là, j'ai du fun.
I love it how you guys laugh and then switch to French, but I know what it's about.
If you know, you know.
Oh boy. Is your streaming time changing after summer? Yeah, probably gonna go back to 5:30. We'll see how market react. But right now, the reason why I started late is because I mean, there's no move like until 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. So I'm like, but before that, the reason why I was starting at 5:30, there was always a move around 6:30. So 6:30. So that's why I was starting at 5:30. So we'll see. Oh, El Jimmy.
My boy CHF trader.
Il roule des yeux. Il roule des yeux. T'es fini, là. T'es fait, là. C'est sûr qu'on va t'agresser.
On va t'agresser.
Thanks, Sasha. You're welcome, Abdo. All right.
So 30
Let's go.
minutes is close, I guess.
Did it? Oh, yes. 30-minute
Close
close.
right on that major.
Woohoo! Right on the QP, man.
Si je vous
But
dis
no,
que
QP don't work.
Nope.
si je vous dis que je suis dans un trade sur Euro NZ2, vous allez chier dans vos culottes, genre?
Ah, un peu, ouais. Je pense que j'aurais un peu de flux, là.
Non, Yann, il y en a.
Non, Euro NZD, c'est quand même legit comme pair, là.
Ok, checké.
Mais CHF, là, c'est sketch as fuck.
Je viens de took an entry, ok?
Oh, c'est live.
1.67459.
Post the chart.
Ça a juste react so mad.
Envoie-moi les ton chart.
Yeah.
All right, so this new 30-minute just started and pushed up right away. So if we do close with a nice close here, it would be pretty nice. Pretty nice.
But we need to wait another 28 minutes.
Yep.
It's gonna be the word of the week. Patience.
Yeah. But I would love this candle to create the stop wick, melt right here, form support here, and push back up. That would be amazing also.
Yeah.
So that's the two plan we're looking from the beginning of the stream, man.
Ça, c'est nice d'être flexible. Là, on a deux bias, man. Peu importe celui qui arrive, on le prend. That's it.
Il faudrait bien que j'ouvre le chat. Hein? Oh, sorry, Zoom people. I missed the chat on Zoom. Let's see. Oh yeah, Brian, I know this guy. Yeah, talking about Anthony. Yeah, that's insane. I don't know. There's a lot of story about him. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so Jimmy, Euro NZD. God damn, this is exciting. Okay. C'est quoi ça? C'est 4 heures? Okay. J'aime l'idée ici. Là. Je suis pas sûr que je l'aurais pris là. Moi, j'aurais pas de game de prendre ça de même, là, mais j'aime l'idée.
C'était sur un buy limit. Je suis arrivé, puis c'était activé. Je suis arrivé de mon écran, puis il y avait une belle wick qui venait de se former.
Oh, moi, je le prendrais probablement autour d'ici. Si mettons celle-là à flip bullish, là, c'est là que je la prendrais.
Yeah, avec un execution, genre un live execution.
Ouais. J'attendrais un flip, là.
Ouais. Non, ça, je travaille juste avec les buy and sell limit à cette heure. Ben, pour ce genre de swing shit-là.
Ouais.
Hey, c'est nice les live charts de même, là.
Ouais, je sais pas comment j'ai fait, mais that's it.
Puis, Jim, c'est quoi tes règles là, pour mettre ton stop à break-even ou whatever? T'as-tu genre un certain ratio ou nombre de pips?
Break-even, si le mouvement est quick, okay, si, mettons, ça se passe en 1 ou 2 candles de 4 heures, puis que j'atteins un 2
ça, c'est
pour
quick,
1,
ça.
ben, c'est quick pour ce que je fais.
Non, je sais, je niaise.
Si ça se passe dans les 8 prochaines heures, puis que j'atteins mon 2 pour 1, je vais mettre break-even, je vais laisser runner à peu près jusqu'à 4 pour 1. S'il y a une structure qui se forme, c'est-à-dire qu'il y a une résistance qui se forme, après ça, que j'ai une confirmation avec un candle de 4 heures qui close par-dessus la résistance, je ne vais pas mettre tout de suite mon break-even parce que ça me confirme qu'il y a une tendance plutôt haussière qui se construit, puis ça peut revenir à mon point d'entrée puis repartir sur un move en escalier, on va dire. Là. Fait que ça ne me tente pas de me faire sortir juste parce que c'est à pullback. Là.
Yeah, makes sense.
Mais normalement, je parle d'un 2 pour 1. Je vais vraiment regarder pour break-even. 3 pour 1, c'est sûr que j'étais à break-even. Je shit like that. Là. Je ne le regarde pas vraiment en termes de pips parce que j'ai tellement de peur à regarder que si j'y vais sur les pips, je vais.
Ouais,
je
ça a
vais
une
être,
différence.
Mais mettons, est-ce que tu te mets à break-even aussitôt que tu es à 1 pour 1?
Non, pas tout. 1 pour 1, je laisse ça aller.
Tu ne te mets même pas à break-even.
Non. Non, parce que je les pogne trop bas. C'est tellement facile en ce moment, là, ça serait tellement easy de venir retest la zone où j'ai entré puis d'aller même un peu plus bas que si je manque mon trade juste à cause de ça. Tu sais, comme là, j'étais à 0.8 pour 1, tu sais. Si ça monte à 1 pour 1, mon trade est encore complètement valide, même si ça retombe.
Makes sense. All right, guys, so I'll need to leave. I'm gonna go to the office, but I'm gonna monitor the charts and we stay in touch for maybe a trade setup at 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Take care, guys. Take care, Jim.
Take
See you tomorrow.
Est-ce que c'est pété? Juste le wick-là, j'essaie de ne pas regarder la MT4, mais c'est 600$.
Non, c'est ça.
Il faut pas que j'aille là sur la MT4. Je regarde mon trading view puis that's it.
Ben ouais. Bien correct, ça.
So Sasha,
Yep.
is Jimmy just a swing trader?
Yes. Jimmy was swing trading. Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, I used to scout, but the same rules apply to swings when it comes with candle pattern, things like that, structure. No, that's the same thing. If you're looking at the 4-hour chart, you can apply the same for 30-minute chart.
Yeah.
I mean, remove all indicator and try to just understand why the market is moving in a way without saying that it's because of a cross of something or shit like that.
Yeah.
No, it's just based on supply, demand, liquidity. Supply, demand, I mean resistance and so.
So Bob's, yeah, I'll do that in English. Or Jimmy, tu te sens à l'aise? Jimmy, tu te sens à l'aise à le faire en anglais?
Yeah.
Because sometimes the reason why Jimmy's not super comfy in English, so if he has a hard time, I'm gonna fill in for him.
So if you put that on daily chart.
Can I switch on your? No.
Ok, attends, je vais te l'envoyer. Puis est-ce que tu peux comme dézoomer? Ah non, t'es encore sur du 4 heures.
C'est correct, ça? Ah non, il est encore du 4 heures. Tu m'en as envoyé un autre, hein?
Ouais. Attends une minute.
Encore 4 heures.
Faut sauvegarder le petit nuage, c'est vrai. Ah, ok.
All right, so daily.
All right. So simple stuff here. Simple stuff. So we have a reaction right there. Wait a second. Right there. Right there. Big move in the zone. So I consider that if the market goes in this zone, I can look for a buy, but I need some confirmation because the market can break this level and retest that to become in a downtrend, you know. But I'm looking for buys confirmation. So if you go on a 4-hour, wait a second.
Je l'ai ici.
Okay. So at this point, you can say that we created a head and shoulder, reverse and tail shoulder. So, but I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for simple break of structure to become bullish structure. So you are in a downtrend, structure, bearish structure. Now we shift from a bearish structure to a bullish structure at this point right there. At this point, when we broke the previous H4 structure right there. This move, grab all those stop losses, okay? Because we have clear support right there that some buyers take entry at this point, and clear, and clear support form right there. Market come for another retest. We have other orders in this zone, and markets have to come to take those liquidity to come and create the big move, because markets need liquidity to create big moves in the market, because you cannot put some millions or even billions in the market without taking liquidity, because the liquidity provider cannot provide you all those money with a simple click. You need to create those liquidity to make the big move in the market. And what I'm looking is to take this zone as another block zone, if you want, because if this move grab those stop losses, if you want, and broke this previous structure, it means that buyers are now in the control of the market at this point. And now, knowing this, I'm looking for an entry point, but I went a low entry point to have big risk reward. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong 1%. If I'm right 4%. And I'm looking for a 60 to 70% win rate. If I play with those numbers, I know for a fact that my months, the end of the month, is going to be in profit, even if I take 4 trades or 5 trades in a month. That's it. So we have this pattern. And if you go on H1, but on n'a pas besoin, we don't need to go on H1. We have clear reaction on this support level. Market create this move. So now people are at break even. Break even is just another buy orders, a sell orders, sorry. But you want those sell orders to create liquidity and create the big move. Break even or stop losses right under this level. So what I'm looking for is to enter to grab those stop losses. Simple. It's I don't know if I make it complicated, but when you understand the concept is super simple, super clear. I'm not talking so well in English, so
I understand exactly what you're doing.
No, you did good, bro. To be honest, man, your English is getting better and better, bro. So, man, that's well explained, Jimmy. Well explained.
Thanks, boys.
Good job, man. Man, it's not easy to take the mic and explain something when it's not your first language. Trust me. So, so congrats on that. Good job.
Thank you, boys. Thanks, Mike.
Salut Albert. Comment te portes-tu? Très très bien, excepté mon orteil. Je m'en vais à l'hôpital, mais bon, ça sort. So yeah, I'm going to the hospital today to make a check on that toe because I'm pretty sure it's broken by now. So we'll see. Understood, Jimmy. Your English is good. Perfect explanation. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yes, it was clear. Perfect. Excellent. Man, we're missing one like for 50 likes. Come on, guys. Come on, smash that like button, guys. Let's go. We should be at 50. Easy. Waiting on G to buy now for Anthony. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Looking nice. But it's such a mess, though. The problem is such a mess on GA. All right, so look like we're going to come down to this golden zone. Oh, I'll buy if I cannot put 2 likes. If not, I will do it. Yeah. All right. So, whoa, the likes went up. So we went to 59. So now we're missing 1 like for 60. Jeez, amazing. So next stop is 75. Next up is 75 likes. So basically waited all this morning for this setup to show up. So we were expecting a retracement down to this major QP, which is also the 382 fib level or the golden zone right here. So yeah, just waiting on that. Yeah, that's it. You're right, George. It's a 50-50 chance, and I don't like to take chance. I like to take trades when I know probability is going to play out, you know? So, and if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. But I want a high probability to play. So here in this kind of mess, probability are not super high. Especially now that you create a new low, right? You got a higher low, you got a lower low. So that's why I was not looking at buys right now. Even if the higher time frame is still bullish, I don't know. Sketchy. Price went up here. Yeah, you know what? It was trending nice here. Just all this mess. Creating new high here. It's this one who fucked it up. This one fucked it up because we didn't create a new high. We failed on creating a new high on H1. So that's why I don't like it. I don't like buys here.
Si tu veux, je peux en faire un autre sur CAD GPY. Il y a un super beau setup sur un fib en plus.
CAD GPY. C'est quoi ça?
Ah, non. Pour me dire que le prochain H4 va close.
C'est comme tabac. C'est le bruit de mon gars, ça.
Oh, non, mais c'est le début d'une tune.
J'étais comme, OK, on aurait dit un monstre.
Ouais.
Ben ouais, t'as pas trop de modifiants. So this 30 minutes still has like 10 minutes left. So far, we got a huge rejection now. Coming back down to this major QP. If this start to break this low, we should be ending up in this golden zone. So yeah. Gold is still, playing around here. Not much. But if we do break this 4-hour support, damn, this thing's gonna melt. Actually, let's place an alarm.
La Salowick.
Je sais plus, hein. Ça n'a aucun sens. Hein.
NFP?
Non, c'était un flash crash.
Oh, ouais.
Ça melt de dimanche. Il y a quelqu'un qui a drop je sais plus combien de milliards de gold. Écoute, ça n'a pas de bon sens. Check. Look at gold. Look at 5 minutes. Even if you look at 1 minute, you'll see like crazy ass candle. Look at this. This is like, if you look at 1 minute, they're going to be as big. Those are 5-minute candle on gold. Look at this. 1 5-minute candle.
Ooh.
158 pips. The other one, 224 pips. It's crazy. Insane.
Ah, mais les 16,80, c'était une foutue belle zone de support, par exemple. OK.
All right, so this is Cat GPY. This is another swing trade idea from Jimmy. Jimmy the Kid. Billy the Kid, right? Jimmy the Kid.
Jimmy the Kid.
Billy the Kid, Jimmy the Kid.
Well, super simple stuff right there. We are clear. Wait a second. Can I annotate? Non, je peux plus dessiner. Comment ça? Wait a second. Okay. So clear downtrend, right?
Yep.
On daily time frame. We created this higher high, but the structure went to go down again, breaking lower low, creating lower low. And now I'm looking for the higher low, lower high.
Yeah.
If it makes sense, yes. So lower high, continuation right there. But I need confirmation for that. And I need the market to go in a zone of interest like this, clear support resistance zone. And I can combine this zone with a nice fib level of this previous impulse to the downside. This previous impulse, you took your fib to the top of this. Oh, I can annotate. Oh, come on. This high to this low, you take your fib, you have a perfect 7, 8, 6 level at this resistance zone. If you go on H4 right now, so now I have the confirmation that we are in a zone of interest, but I need a break of structure on lower time frame like H4. So H4, I'm going to send this to you. te l'ai envoyé.
Oh, excuse-moi. All right, H4.
So now, okay. First of all, I missed this entry because I wasn't looking at it at night. I was sleeping. No problem. If the market come back to my tree, I have a sell limit, and if it activated, perfect. If it's not, and the move continue without me, no problem. Okay, don't chase the market. The market comes to you. So we are now in this zone of interest. Fib level. I'm looking for a sell. So now it's peux-tu zoomer un peu? So now I need a break of structure. Yes. I need to have a confirmation that the H4 went to turn to a bearish market. And the confirmation for that is that we created support level right there. And this H4 candle not grab, but break the structure, because we have a confirmation that first it's an engulfing candle. Second, if you go on H1, you have the closing level, and the H4 closed. Below this closing level, we have the confirmation that the support is now broke. For the entry, I'm looking to have an entry close to the higher high, to this high point, but I don't want an entry like at this level, because if you look close to, well, if you go on H1, but not on n'a pas besoin, we don't need to go on H1 at this point, but this is a kind of grab of liquidity, like I said previously on the other analysis. Your eyes is gonna comment qu'on dit, va s'habituer à ça.
Gonna get used to it.
Yeah, so your eyes gonna get used to spot those moves. So I'm looking for an entry at those level. I missed it. Now the market is going down. I'm looking for an entry at this level, just to make sure that I can that my entry can triggered. I put it just below, just like 5 pips below, to be sure. So like I said, if the market goes to my tree and triggered, perfect. If it's not, no problem. I have a trade running at this point. I don't need to chase the market. We have all the months to have nice entry, nice setup. When you swing, you don't want to chase the market, because the market will slap you, for sure.
Hell yeah, that's so true. Well done.
When you swing, when you swing, and when you scalp, and when you just trade,
don't chase the market.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so this 1 hour / 30 minutes / 4 hour is going to close in 30 seconds. So it look like this 4 hour is going to close bearish. So yeah, okay. So look like we probably going to have our retracement down to this golden zone. So this 1 hour is going to close bearish also.
Bon, it's time to hit the gym. Ciao, boys.
Time for gym?
Yep.
All right, bonne journée, bro. Ciao.
Ciao, take care, boys.
All right, so this 30-minute close bullish here. The 1 hour close bearish. 4 hour close bearish. So yeah, okay. So if this 1 hour start to break the high, this is where I'm probably going to take the first entry right here. But I have a feeling this thing's gonna come down. Because I mean, look at this, 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish. But I want to see, if I want to buy, I want to see a wick down and break the high. If not, I'm just gonna wait, you know. There we go. So we got our wick down now. And now we can expect some volume to come in. All right, so this is where I took my first entry. Let me put this here. So put stop right under here. Stop is at 987. 987 right here. And my entry is at 093. 093 right here. And I'm gonna aim for 15 pips. Perfect. Auto break even is gonna be set at 11 pips. And all right, let's go. All right, all right, all right. So usually I would take an entry right here at the opening of the candle. Okay. In this case, I wanted an extra confirmation because I mean the 1 hour closed bearish. I was like, nah, you know, 4 hours bearish. So it might be a booby trap candle also on 4 hour. But yeah, that's why it's a little tricky, that one. Plus we're going into this consolidation zone. So but I'm putting a lot of trust into the volume. So I'm expecting volume to break this area. So that's why I waited to break the high to have a better confirmation. But of course, because of that, my entry is like 4 pips, you know, 4 pips higher than I usually would take it. So oh, David, sorry, I didn't answer the question. What is a major QP? Major QP are the round numbers, you know, the 153, 154. Those are major QPs. They are major quarter points. You know, they call that quarter points level. Price like to respect those level. You can call them psychological level, bank level, institutional level, whatever you want to call them. You know, there's many names that people use it for them, but there's also a quarter point theory based on that, you know, like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, you know, round numbers. So yeah. All right, let's go, man. Let's go, GJ. So far, no drawdown for that entry. Abdo, for example, if this candle closed with a lower low and lower high with the same bullish body, will you execute? If this can, no, I think now by now the entry is too late. If you want to enter around here, this is too late. You're gonna have to wait to be above here now. Oh, Mark the Stash took it on the opening of the candle. Good one, Mark. 7 pips running. That's good, man. Yeah, you're yeah, that's what I was saying. You know, usually I would have taken it here. I just needed that extra confirmation. I didn't like the fact that the 1 hour closed bearish. But yeah, makes sense. Maybe I would have taken a smaller risk here and add a position at the break of the eye. Maybe that's what I should have done. But we'll see. Sorry, guys, I was muted. So I was talking by myself. So I was answering the question about the from Abdo. So I said, yeah, if this candle would have broken this low here, I would not be entering on this candle, you know. So yeah, sorry guys. And now I was explaining if this candle start to flip bearish, this is where I'm probably going to be exiting my trade or closing 50%. And the reason why is I took an impulse entry. And when you take an impulse entry, you're expecting price to continue in the same direction, you know. You're not expecting price to retrace and come back to your entry. So yeah, going against a H1 bearish is very risky. Yeah, at this point, like I said, I'm gonna wait to see if this candle start to flip bearish. This is where I'm probably gonna close 50% or exit the trade. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, so right here, I'm gonna close half. If it goes to like minus 7-8 pips, I'm gonna exit the trade fully. Right now, I close 50% at minus 4 pips. if I would have taken this entry on the opening of the candle, probably would have waited for the 30-minute to close, you know. But since I took it on an impulse entry, I'm expecting price to continue up. So that's why I'm a little bit less patient with this. So now it's going to -6. Hey guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We should be at 75 now. This is the next stop for likes. Let's go to 75. Ugh. All right, so -6.87. All right, so this is where I'm exiting the trade. So I closed 50% -4 pips and -7 on the rest of it. So keeping my losses short. Unfortunately, this gonna break the winning streak. God damn it. But well, it is what it is. Yeah, going against the H1 bearish can be rough, man. Trying to see this wick. Let's see here. Hey there, Sasha. One question. When you say you would normally take it on the opening of the candle instead of at the break, what would give you that confidence to take it just based on the break? Take it just based on the break. What would give you that confidence to take it just based on the break? Just based on the break? No. I would take it on the opening of the candle if I have like 2-3 confirmations, you know. If I don't have at least 2 confirmation, that's where I wait for break of the high, break of the low. Yes. Yeah, Regis, tomorrow, yeah, we're gonna dance at Forex Talk over beer. Oh, Mark, so you close 50% at the entry. All right, that's great. Yeah. You see now, after rejecting 153 right now, if this thing starts to break the high once again, that's gonna get interesting. Man, rejected 153 right on the dot, this major QP. Look at this. Right on the dot. Damn. Crazy. All right. So 1 hour. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, gold is coming down slowly. Sorry, guys, just fixing magic key very quickly. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, the rest is good. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, perfect. All right. Let's see. Yo, Sasha, teach me some French course words. Nah, no, I can't do that. Not on YouTube. Sir, you will take second chance on the trade. Yes, there's a big chance. Depends on the setups. I meant to say just at the opening of the candle. Sorry, thanks for the answering. Yeah, no problem. By the way, Montreal represent as well. J'ai vécu à côté des neiges 10 ans. À côté des neiges 10 ans. Now back in Senegal. Oh, wow. Wow. Yosa. Okay, perfect. All right, so this 30-minute came up, broke the high, and came straight down. So nice little trap here. Sell on G possible now? Let's see. Yeah, now, yes. Yes, now should be nice. Should be nice. But at this stage, I mean, there's 10 minutes left, so I don't know. I would want to see a close under this area and probably use Doctel setup on the next candle. So Rome, great sell setup. Yeah, maybe, but I'm expecting price to reject here, so I'm not gonna sell. So I'm not gonna sell because it's gonna be like 10 pips. I'm expecting price to form support here in this golden zone and to reject up. So that's why I'm not gonna be selling. Because this level is pretty strong, major QP right there. So that's why I was actually looking for buys. All right, we're up to 70 likes. Sweet. Almost 75. Almost. All right, so GA. Nice. Gold. Coming down slowly. Of course, if this 4-hour candles break the low here, sayonara. There we go. So now this thing should continue down now. Can be a quick counter trend trade, you know, right to the golden zone. Not going to be taking it. Yeah, what I want now is price to form support around this area. And for GA, this 1 hour, 30 minutes, sorry. 30-minute coming down, breaking the support. So we need to stay, this candle needs to stay under this support. Oh, missing 3 likes. 3 likes. Yeah, come on, Rages. Let's see. I think leave gold till tomorrow CPI. Yeah. Dovetail set up for sell on the next candle on GJ. You're talking for sell. Like I said, no, because we got this area. So we'll see. What time is it now? 9:26. All right, so 9:26. This is going to be the NYSC candle coming up. So I have to say, usually the NYSC candle is going to follow the previous candle, the 30-minute. So yeah, there's a big probability if this candle closes like this, especially under this major QP, there's a big probability for the next candle to continue down at least to this golden zone and maybe visit this H4, you know, support. If you look at this, the golden zone, yeah, it's the same. Golden zone is actually a little higher on the H4 fib, so we'll see. Let's see how this NYC candle, how this candle is going to close. If the next one maybe whips up and breaks the low, it can be an NYC Dovetail setup. Maybe. I'm not super interested into it. Maybe a quick scalp, maybe a couple pips. We'll see. Oh, Alexi. Oh, Malik. Alexi, yeah, sorry, I didn't see your chart, guys. Buys on closure above. Okay. Golden zone right here. Okay. Perfect, Malik. Let's see, Alexi. Alexi. Break and retest of the range. Yes. Price need to break this major QP and close under for continuation. Expecting price to retest this area. Yeah, that's a probability. Yes. So now if this candle stays under 153, now it's getting 928. We got like a minute and a half. Let's see how this goes. If we have a wick here, maybe we can expect next candle to wick up, retest 153 and come down lower for a couple of pips. Especially that NYSC candle, like I said, usually follow the same direction as the previous 30-minute candle most of the time. And most of the time, if you do a dogtail setup, let's say you're going break this high, let's say, that means it's going to be like a 20 pip. And usually you can at least go for a 1-to-1 based on this candle. So that means like 20 pips right around here. That makes sense. All right, man. Missing 4 likes for 80 now. Sweet. Good job, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. All right, 10 seconds. And look like it's going to close engulfing bearish. Oh, alert on gold. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I going to take my first trade on gold? All right, so this 30-minute could just close on GJ. So we close nice. Whoa. Wait a second. All right, so I was able to snap a fast entry, but I'm a little lower than what I wanted. So my entry is not so bad, actually. Short position. So my entry is at 938. 938. Right, oh, not so bad, actually. Actually, pretty good. It's actually better than what I thought. The stop is at 079, but I think I'm going to change that. 079. 079. Okay, perfect. And let's aim for 15 here. So let's try that. But to be honest, around 11 pips. Actually, I'm probably going to secure some profits because this is going to be a quick scalp, right? So we'll see how it goes, but probably going to secure some profits on the line. So like I said, probably going to secure some profit around like 6-7 pips, to be honest. This I'm aiming for a quick scalp here. Whoa, holy. What? Wait a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down there, GJ. Calm down. All right, so close 50% right here. Jesus. GJ is excited. Got rejected right in this golden zone. So I guess, yeah, this quick scalp was doesn't look like it was a good idea. She should stick to the plan. Oh well. Big slap on my fingers. Bam. For not respecting my plan. All right. Oh, major QP is not an indicator. No, major QP is just a price when you can see rejection, as you see right here, right here, right here, right here, you know. So QPs, major QPs, you see it right here, right here, right here, you know. So, yep. All right, so I exited this trade fully, minus 7 pips. Wow. Yeah, this was a very bad idea session. Respect the game plan, guys. Respect the game plan. I just broke my game plan by doing this attempt. This was stupid. This was stupid on my end. Sorry, guys, for failing you on this one. Not proud of myself. Bam, 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 bam. Finally got this rejection, the golden zone. Yeah, better wait for, yeah, you're right, Nuno. Better wait for H1, yes. Now at this stage, wait for H1 candle. But you can tell there's volume now. This candle is moving pretty fast. Lucas, been there, done that. Yeah, breaking your plan. Yeah, it's been a while. I didn't break my plan, but now I broke it solidly, and I'm not proud of myself. But you know what? I don't hide behind it. I show it up, and I don't. You know, it's part of the game. So I'm human, as all of human. Let's see. I got in on 977 for the sell at 7 pips, but tried holding for 10. Yes. Yeah, Bill, yes, this was a short counter trend. Yeah, you gotta exit like around like probably like 6-7 pips around there, you know. Armin, Armin, it's been a while. Also, the zone, this zone, I'm not sure. This zone, that price could add it reject and 152.9 on the left, I think. 152.900. 152.900 right here. Oh yes, this area, yeah. Oops. What about buys now on GJ? I mean, this was part of the first idea, right? So idea was for price to come down this golden zone to form support and close, you know, a nice candle, nice bullish candle above 153. So this is exactly how I did plan it at first, you know. So if this close engulfing candle, you can expect the next candle to break this consolidation zone and to continue up with the London close volume. How long are you on again for? Probably, I don't know, 20 minutes. I'll check the next close and that's it. Actually, let me see something. Oh shit, I forgot to look at gold. Oh, goddamn. Yeah, I was looking for sells like right under this area. Yeah, sells will be right here. This is a paper trade, of course, because I just missed it. But yeah, it would be like stop run there and TP, man. This 30 minute, yeah, 30 minute. Holy man. At least this would fill. Yeah, missed it. So mad. So now let's see, can we get a break and retest? Whoa. Yeah, this is a paper trade, by the way, guys. So don't get confused here. Paper trade. All right, so let's see. Very tricky area from Rome. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a tricky market this week. Yep. Guys, this might be a range week for GJ. Yeah. It's been a little tricky here. We didn't broke previous high on this weekly candle. Respect the previous low. Daily did broke previous high, respect the previous low. So technically we should continue up like I explained this morning early on the breakdown. So now I was expecting price to come down into this golden zone, reject it, and push back to retest the high. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for all morning. And I decide to execute on something that was not in my plan. So oh well. I was putting a lot of hope into this 4-hour low, bro. So all right. 84 likes. Sweet. All right, so now we got this 30-minute candle closing in 12 minutes, the 15-minute close engulfing candle. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Tricky area. GA never closed under the support. So, oops, let's go back to 30-minute. So yeah, so GA never closed under the support. What about gold? Oh man, this thing was close to stop me out on that paper trade. All right, so let's see here what we got. 9 minutes left. God damn. Ugh. All right, so let's see here. Tricky market. This might be, yeah. Man, I'm gonna have to go soon. I'm running late. Come on, come on. I got in on 977 for this. Okay. Caught this gold. Oh, caught the gold sale. Oh, made back the GG loss. Oh, nice. Nice, Bill. Good job. Oh, GG is pumping.
What's the chances that this candle just flies with the new 1 hour like last week?
That's fine. If it flies and breaks all above here,
yeah,
that's all good. We can use the dogtail setup on the next one. So we got 5-ish minutes left. Hey, Osvaldo, what's up? It will fly right after we close the stream. Then we'll see Sasha's screenshot later in Discord. Yeah, of course, man. Always,
Every time. Every time.
Every freaking time. And you'll see, fuck you, GJ, give me back my money. Every freaking time. It's so annoying though.
For you or for us?
For both. So annoying because I'm getting ready. I got an alarm on myself. I need to run down, and just
because it's almost 4 p.m. my time.
Oh yeah.
So that's why London and NY is great for me. It just falls in.
Yeah, that's good.
Before I knew what I know now, and still a lot less than you guys, I was taking like almost 30 entries in a day.
Holy.
Yeah. And it could either be lost days or it would be break-even days. It was never profit days. Never. I'll say it with truth. It was never profit. Never.
Wow. So what about now?
Yeah, now it's much better for sure. But I still trade very small lots just to gain that consistency and obviously the confidence with confluence and all that type. But I'm down to 3 trades. That's it.
Good.
So London,
Awesome.
New York, and NYSE. And my NYSE isn't GJ, it's only NASDAQ.
That's good.
So the rules are definitely there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So now I'll take my time again just to grow. The next thing for me is confidence and lot size. So that's just growing the account.
Awesome.
But we've got time. I don't need to race to get there. So that pre-market fuel that you use, Sasha.
Yep.
Is that just for concentration?
Concentration, energy. Wait a second. Pre-market fuel was designed and created by traders for traders trading the market. Is blah blah blah. Enhance your awareness and focus with the appropriate energy levels to help you better view, analysis, and execute in the market. So okay. I actually used it also to go run. Yeah, I should receive another box pretty soon. Because this one is empty. I don't like the fact that this one didn't broke the high. Yeah, this is a tricky area here. Look at this 1 hour. This 1 hour is going to close like in 2 minutes. So far, it's a small body candle. Yeah, I don't like it. If this 1 hour closed bigger like this, yeah, now it's. But if it closed like doji, it's like, ugh. About 40 seconds. What about this 4 hour? Actually, this is actually nice though. We went down, create this bottom wick. Now, this is after 1 hour in this 4 hour candle, start to go up. Interesting. Woohoo. Sorry, my robot just went on me. All right, so this 30-minute candle close, engulfing candle above 153. So you should expect, price continuing up at this stage, especially after rejecting this golden zone. The problem is, like, this 1 hour is like doji-ish. 4 hours, just like, god damn. Yeah, it's nothing exciting here. I don't know. Like, it's just a mess. Got a rejection here. 30-minute. I'd like to see something to come lower, and when they start coming back up and flip, I might be interested of taking another entry, but yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna place an alert here. Well, I cannot place an alert because I want price to come down and come back up. So yeah, it is what it is. So anyway, stay put in Discord. If I see something, I guess I'm gonna try to let you know. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk over here at 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna explain and break down trades that we took yesterday and today, and we're gonna answer Q&As. And yeah, make sure you have a drink and come enjoy a nice beer with us. All right, so take care, guys. Have a great day.
Thanks, Sasha.